Our vision at iFAST has always been about helping investors to invest globally and profitably. So in line with this vision, we have been working hard on a series of 3 different focus lists that are designed to showcase some of our best stock investment ideas. So we have a growth focus list for growth stocks, an income focus list for dividend stocks, as well as a value focus list for quality blue chip stocks that are trading below their intrinsic values. So investors will find these focus lists to be useful because they can be a source of idea generation. They can also help investors to refine their stock portfolios, or they can also be a base on which investors can build their desired portfolios from scratch. So the growth and value focus lists are still a work in progress, but we have managed to finalize the income focus list, and we are very excited to share with you the 15 stocks that we think have the best dividend potential. So these stocks were selected from an investment universe of about 3,000 stocks across Singapore and Hong Kong exchange. So there's a good balance between local listed companies as well as Hong Kong and mainland Chinese companies. The dividend yields are also above average, and they are selected because of their sustainable dividends as well as potential for future growth. So on the top of the list is Keppel Infrastructure with a dividend yield of about 7.09%. And if you go all the way down, the lowest dividend yielding stock on the list is Chong Kong Infrastructure with a yield of about 3.39%. So if you were to buy the entire list of 15 stocks, then you are looking at an average dividend yield of about 4.68%. So these 15 stocks would also give you diversified exposure to 6 different sectors and would definitely be suitable for investors who are looking for a passive stream of dividend income. So out of these 15 stocks, there are some companies which we think are pretty interesting. So one example would be ComfortDelGro. We like this stock because it has a very strong track record of paying out dividends since 2003. And we think its dividends are fairly sustainable because of its healthy balance sheet and strong cash flows. Its taxi business is currently not doing very well, but the public transport segment is expected to be a future growth driver that could help to pick up some of the slack that is left by the taxi business. And at its current price, we think there's limited downside as well. And in fact, we think it's a very good buying opportunity for investors who want a 4.89% dividend yield. Another interesting stock is Guangdong Investments, which is a water distribution company that also owns other infrastructure assets such as power plants and toll roads in mainland China. So one very interesting thing about Guangdong Investments is that it is the company that supplies about 65% of Hong Kong's water needs. So it is a very defensive business that generates stable and consistent cash flows. And given its healthy financial position, we think it is unlikely that it will reduce its dividends anytime soon. So we hope that this income focus list will give you some investment ideas for dividend stocks. And over the next few weeks, we will be releasing our value and growth focus list. So do keep a lookout for them.